Datavideo VoiceTRX100 is our award-winning, automated voice-activated interface that lets microphones control cameras and video switchers. We just released its first major firmware update with new features and support for more microphones. Whether you're designing automated multi-camera AV solutions for collaborative spaces, classrooms, or government chambers, this update makes everything quicker to install and easier to use. With our new streamlined user interface for Sennheiser Team Connect ceiling microphones, you can now input elevation data for more accurate voice tracking and create zones in just minutes. VoiceTRX100 also supports Sennheiser Speechline microphones and wireless kits. Set up camera angles with auto framing and create presets quicker and smoother than ever before. Perfectly capture anyone in the room with our high-quality PTZ cameras. Here at Datavideo, we are bringing automated broadcast to AV. To learn more about the VoiceTRX100, visit datavideo.com.